Hello to all who may see this. My name is David Jack Hill and I am 26 years old. I am paralyzed from the chest down. I'm in this condition because of a very bad decision I made when I was 16 years old. That decision was to drink and drive. It hasn't been easy living this way, but I know now that everything happens for a reason. I've come to realize this since I've given my life to Christ in 2011, and I know now that God doesn't waste a hurt. I'm also due to start college in August, where I will learn to use my life and testimony to help others and become a motivational speaker to speak about the consequences of drinking and driving. Now that you know a little about me, I'll tell you why I've made this recording. I'm trying to raise money to purchase a van which the state will modify so that I can drive from my chair. I'm selling $10 raffle tickets for a chance to win a 7-day vacation. The vacation includes 3 days, 2 nights in Orlando or Fort Lauderdale, Florida, whichever the winner may pick. Plus you have a choice of an economy rental car for 1 week or up to a $100 gas reimbursement if you drive your own car. Caribbean cruise to the Grand Bahamas for 3 days and 2 nights, and finally your cruise back to the States. The drawing will be held on Monday, September 24th, 2012 at noon. This will happen at the Hancock Library in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. You do not have to be present to win. I know winning may seem like a long shot, but your $10 ticket will be helping me tremendously towards getting my transportation and becoming a more independent person. All donations are appreciated, no matter what they may be. To contact me or for more information, give me a call at 228-342-5312 anytime, day or night, via Facebook, David Hill of Waveland, Mississippi, or via email, rznhale2@gmail.com. I also have a benefit account opened at Hancock Bank under David Hill Benefit Account. I thank you for listening, and God bless.